I can tell you no. Enough time I see doctor call the family and tell the family say boy say then drop out 2 heart attack. But doctor never tell them how really cause the heart attack, you know. Doctor go say heart attack. But that is where me really come in, you know. No. That is where me that is where me really come in. You see? Yeah, because doctor never tell the family what type of heart attack cause the man to dead. Analyze himself, you see? Yeah, what really happened, you know? Him get old, can't manage punani no more. Somebody are fret over it and dead. No, sometimes you see boy say, a man sick out and him pass out, you know. Yeah. And somebody come and drop down heart attack. Heart attack cause that. When a man sit down and fret over pussy, you see, and that can cause heart attack too. And he end up die out. You understand? Apple and bread. Really nice. I can tell you. Our Jamaican apple and our Jamaican bread, hard to beat. As I say,